Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to modify your Outlook Zoom settings in under 5 minutes. This is a very useful technique since some messages arrive with text that is difficult to read comfortably. By adjusting the magnification, you can make a huge difference in your viewing experience. To begin, launch Outlook on your device. If you use the web version, navigate to the official Microsoft login site. Once there, press the Sign In button and provide your account details. This initial step allows you to start tailoring your email display according to your specific needs. After logging in, you will arrive at your main Outlook dashboard where your messages are neatly organized. To change the magnification, head straight to your Mail section. This opens your inbox, showing all your recent correspondence. Pick any email you want to enlarge for better visibility. After opening a specific message, look at the menu bar at the top of your screen. Locate the View tab among the different categories and click it. This section contains various tools for customizing how your content appears. Inside the View menu, find the Zoom icon, which is usually displayed prominently. Clicking this will reveal several choices for increasing or decreasing the size of your email text. This allows you to set a scale that is perfect for your reading style. You will also see a Reset button nearby. Choose this if you want to instantly return to the standard view. It is a great way to restore the original layout once you finish reading. Remember, these changes are not permanent, so feel free to test different levels to find what is most comfortable. You have now learned to manage Zoom settings in Outlook, a simple way to avoid eye strain. Thanks for watching, and try these steps next time you check your mail. Feel free to pause and follow along on your own device. Happy emailing!